Hi and welcome to session 6. So did you get a chance to observe your thoughts during the day yesterday? I hope you're getting a sense of how your thoughts are creating your world and that you can sense the power you'll gain by becoming the master of your thoughts. Today let us go deeper into feelings. As I've explained previously, feelings are not verbal experiences, although of course everyone from poets to novelists to philosophers have tried to use words to describe these complex experiences. Feelings are a mind-body response, a visceral experience. We often have an uneasy relationship with our own feelings. You see, as children, we learned that certain feelings can get us into trouble. As a child, anger or feeling upset might have caused you to behave in ways that got you into trouble. And so you may have learned to suppress these feelings as a way of coping. But suppressed feelings always increase stress and anxiety. So what you're learning now is to let go of this suppression, to greet your feelings with openness, awareness, and acceptance. You don't have to act on these feelings, but within your own mind, you should always be completely free. So let's try that in today's session. You're going to take some time to notice and explore feelings. And although you may initially use words to connect with the feelings, you'll then let go of descriptions, words, and you'll connect with the actual experience of the emotions. So let's begin by taking a few slow, deep breaths. In through the nose and out through the mouth. And allowing your breathing to return to its natural rhythms, gently close your eyes and experience the breath, the rising and falling of the abdomen. Moving your attention now to your left foot. Experience the sensations from your left foot. Now experience sensations in your whole left leg. Your thigh, knee, calf and shin, and left foot. Moving your attention now to your right foot. Experience those sensations. Now experience sensations in your whole right leg, thigh, knee, calf and shin, and right foot. Now experience sensations in your hips and pelvic region. Now experience the sensations from your whole back. Your abdomen. chest, your whole left arm from shoulder to fingertips, your whole right arm from shoulder to fingertips, experiencing the sensations from your neck and throat. Your whole face, your head, now experience sensations from your whole body all at once, from head to toe and from fingertip to fingertip. Now you're going to explore your emotions, your feelings. So go ahead and check in. Allow emotions to come up and notice and experience them. Notice if the feelings are positive, negative, or neutral, but stay present no matter what. Is there any sadness, guilt, regret, dissatisfaction, or stress? Notice. Is there any contentment, peace, joy, relaxation? Notice. Don't try to change anything. Accept whatever it is you're feeling. Letting go of any descriptions. Experiencing the feelings completely. What does it actually feel like in mind and body? If any thoughts come up, notice them as you did yesterday, and then letting them go, return your attention back to the feelings. And moving your attention back to the breath. Noticing once again the contact between body and chair. Notice any light shining through the eyelids, and slowly and gently open your eyes. Just take a few moments to notice how you're feeling right now. Experiencing our own feelings without suppressing or inhibiting them is an important aspect of mental fitness. When you feel more, you are more alive. Freed from inner conflict, you are full of vitality and energy. You get a better sense of who you are, and you're more accepting of yourself and consequently of others. And of course, experiencing your feelings helps clear the mind of tension so that you can beat the stress and feel relaxed and positive. So do take some time every now and then to experience your feelings in the way you learned today, and notice how relaxing that can be. So try that, have a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you back for session 7.